Hello, everyone. My name is Lori Bradner with the Florida Aviation Network, and we are here today at the Kennedy Space Center celebrating Girls in Aviation Day. And I have the pleasure to be standing here with Jenn Datz, Vice President of
the Central Florida chapter of Women in Aviation.
I love it. Jenn, tell me a little bit about your background and tell me what's going on today, because it is an exciting day and we've got a lot of girls that are really hyped up.
Oh my goodness. So I've been in the chapter for about 6 years now. Super. It's my favorite role. For a 9 to 5, I work here at the Kennedy Space Center for Northrop Grumman, where we build the boosters for the Artemis rocket. So we're really excited about this day. We're really looking to inspire girls to consider careers in aviation and aerospace and to make some lifelong connections and a really solid network. So that's the goal of our day.
Jenn, I can't thank you enough for doing this for the young women. This is STEM education at its best. I am absolutely thrilled to be here. My name is Lori Bradner with the Florida Aviation Network.